Are you ready for a complete one-pan cooking transformation? Meet the ultimate stainless steel sauté pan designed to handle searing, simmering, and finishing dishes all in one go. Before you start, remember to properly preheat your pan to unlock its natural food release. Thanks to its premium 5-ply construction, you get perfectly even heat distribution with absolutely no hot spots or burning. It is crafted from pure, non-toxic stainless steel with zero chemical coatings, making it a healthy, long-term investment for your kitchen. Pop on the heavy-duty lid to lock in moisture and simmer your dishes to perfection. From high-heat searing to oven finishing up to 800 degrees, this warp-resistant pan is your daily essential upgrade. Click the link on this page to shop now on Amazon.